Hey, now we are going to install Puppet Master Agent configuration on two CentOS Linux machines, which is um, uh, CentOS 7 version. So I just want to install and configure Puppet Master and Agent configuration now. So this is my Puppet Agent and this is my Puppet Master. So first let's collect the repository and let's install the repository. So this is the latest repository. Okay, so let's go and install using rpm-ivh on both machines. So I just downloaded a repo um, on master as well as agent. So now let's go and install Puppet server on Puppet Master. So let's install yum install -y Puppet server. So it will gonna install Puppet server and the remaining are dependencies. Okay, now here we can install Puppet agent. Yum install -y Puppet agent. Yeah, once the installation gone completed, we need to start the services on both nodes. This is the master node or server node, and this is the agent node. Okay, let's go and start the Puppet server service. Puppet server start. So on Puppet Master, the service name is a Puppet server. So or else you can use systemctl start Puppet server. So you can give whatever you want, and once the service is gonna start, we can uh, uh, start the server at the time of our machine boot time. I mean using check config. So I will show that command too. And meantime, even we can start the agent for master node. So this service will gonna take some time because all the server related configurations and everything is going to be start. It should be start on master, right? So that is the reason why Puppet server service gonna take some time. Okay, it's just got completed. Meantime, let me even complete this step 2. Check config Puppet server on. Okay, it will just give a soft link. Okay, let's go here and start the service. Here you just give a Puppet, that's it. Service Puppet start. Okay, and check config Puppet on. So once you are going to enable here, so anytime at the time of booting the service, automatically it will start once if your machine is gonna reboot. Okay, so I just started the services of master and agent, and now I just want to, so my master server need to know what is my agent, right? So in that case we need to give a small configuration update on my agent. So go ahead and update one property, which is etc Puppet Labs puppet.conf. So here we on agent node we need to give one parameter, so that's it. Okay, so here you just give us agent attribute here, and you need to mention here which is your server. And please remember here we need to give a host name but not IP address, because it will gonna create a certificate on your master puppet. So let's go and check my etc host file. What is my host name? So I just need to give my, so I'm using these servers on my Google Cloud account. So I'm just going to give my host name or a DNS resolvable host name. I need to mention here. That's it, and you can save this file and you just restart it. Just restart Puppet service. Or even you can give restart command. Okay, now let's go and check here. Okay, so now I just configured on my agent. So what it should depends on means what is the host name of the Puppet master. So just configure our Puppet master host name into my Puppet agent configuration file. Now let's check, is my master server or my Puppet main server is gonna it's gonna listen the agent configuration, or it's gonna listen the agent node or not. So just give as a, so sometimes even after our configuration, due to some environment issues, we might not able to give a command as a Puppet. So here uh, even we configured correctly, so it's not able to recognize Puppet as a command. Just switch back here, and again you can just move here. So now you try Puppet. Okay, so this is just for tweak. Okay, Puppet cert list. So if any of the agents is going to configure on configuration side of the agent, so it will gonna automatically checks the connectivity between your agent to your server. So now here you are able to see your agent name, agent host name. So here if you are going to sign this certificate, then only your Puppet master is going to communicate your Puppet agent. So now let's sign in Puppet cert sign. If you just hit here, it will not take anything. You need to mention either all option, or you can just directly give your host name. Okay, so either it's all your I mean, if you have a lot of nodes here, you just give a hyphen all. If you just want to give a only one host name, here you just give Puppet cert sign space this host name. So some Puppet agent, yeah, this much, I mean this host name is enough. But even if you want to sign all the available nodes, you can give this command. Okay, if it is gonna sign here, you will get a notice. If you face any issues here, you will get some error. Okay, let's go again and check here, is any cert list available. So it will not give any output here, because this certificate, I mean whatever node presently trying to connect my master server, that agent we already signed it, so both are gonna communicate each other now. So let's go and create a test manifest file. So how both will gonna work out, we will gonna see. Now what we did as of now, we install Puppet repositories on both agent and master, and we installed Puppet server as well as Puppet agent, and we configured Puppet agent to listen my Puppet server or Puppet master. Okay, so now we just want to check it, or we just want to test both configuration is correct or not. Okay, so let's go to the etc Puppet Labs code environment production manifest. So here I just want to give, I'm just going to create one manifest file, which is very simple one, is a file using file attribute. I just want to create a one file, temp test is my file. Okay, so I just want to create a test file, and I just want to add some data into my test file. Okay, and ensure it should be present in my location. Okay, now using content, I just want to give as test 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so some content here, let's save it and come to till production. Okay, so I have only one environment, which is production. Okay, Puppet, apply, and here you can give a production, or if you have any test environment or pre-prod related manifest, so you can give the name, or you can give here as a production, or if you just give a dot, so whatever environment is currently available, it will take that particular environment related manifest file. So we write a manifest file, which is a which it should create a under temp, it should create a test folder. Okay, let's go and check here, mode /temp /test. so test file is already created now, and whatever content we write here, so it was already updated. This is on master server. Okay, so this is just for testing purpose, we tested on our Puppet master. Now let's see it, our agent node. So this is a entirely different node. Okay, so I just want to pick whatever Puppet file is available on my master node. Okay, so in that case, how we need to run the manifest file from my master node, you can just give as Puppet agent -t. So if you give this command, it will communicate your master node, and right now in my master node I have only one environment, which is a production. Under my production environment I have only one manifest file, which is a test.pp. okay, it will gonna reflect here. If let's say I have a production, I have a test, or have some other environments, then we need to mention that environment name, which is something like a production or test, something like that, or even you can give us some tags too, but that is later on we will discuss on it. But this is just for testing purpose, so that's why I just used a default production environment. Here even you no need to mention production, because we have right now we have only one thing. Sorry, here also Puppet command not found, you just switch back and come here. Now try Puppet command. So this is something like a environment related issues, but yeah, this is just for tweak, and it will gonna work out properly. Okay, so it collects my test, it got my test.pp file from my Puppet master node. Okay, so from here it will collect the data, and here it was created. So go and check /temp /test. so see here, both files is there. Okay, so let's say you can give again the same command, because the file already available, so it won't apply again and again, because that particular file is already available. Even here also you can test like this. Okay, so it takes very less time. Okay, because the file is already file is already available. Let's say I'm going to remove this file /temp /test, and again you go and apply here, so it will gonna create it again. yes, see here. So here we just removed it, but still if the file is not available, it immediately creates the file and it will add whatever content we provided in my manifest file. That's it. Thanks for watching.